Hello winners, welcome weekly Forex Forecast and 26th October to 13th October, the last week of October, and we're being closer to US election. First of all, risk warning, and Forex is a leverage trading, so always a risk involved of your capital. And those are new, first subscribe our channel and click on bell button for further update. Well, this week lesson, remember always you have to know that taking a loss is a part of the game and you need to embrace it. If you cannot take a loss and accept you are wrong, you will never be successful trader. So it's a very good, very important lesson that you have to take loss, and loss is the part of this forex trading and you need to embrace it, and you have to be. And if you do not take losses and do not accept the that your trade is wrong, you will never be a successful trader. A successful trader always agree about his wrong trade. And this video is educational purpose only, and we will discuss our forex world godfather own opinion about next week movement most probably. And we'll discuss on US index, crude, gold, Euro USD, GBP USD, Euro GBP, GBP JPY, Euro JPY, US CAD, US 500, and others. And this is technical and fundamental analysis. It might be changed during the week. So do not set your mind that it's going for buy and sell. Well, US index, and that stimulus package yet to be settled, and the in last night before the market close we see a news published that Mucin and Pelosi both are saying that there is no deal and yet to finalize, and Congress do not support this bill until before election. And it's my thinking that Congress do not allow this package because it affect the election. And if this uh, package is and if this deal is done, then uh, Mr. Trump gets some benefit from this because he announced that he will give this package money to people's house, direct to the house, and they will get before election. So Congress do not allow this because of this funding. So DXY, we see a bearish movement because price is also going for up. I'm going for down, and 200 moving average also indicate around 93.49, so and 50th 93.26, and price level is 92.74, so there is too much gap. It means this price is completely bearish, and because this deal is not completed, and the other data also the mm, variable for DXY. So I may expect this down channel will continue to fall around 91 level and retest around this level 92.73. So the structure is changing. So we may the harmonic will got effect here, and it broke this level, so the structure is changed. So next target is for DXY We may expect a sell around, but we are not going for sell. We stopped here and wait to fall around this level for buy, because price will go anytime up. So what we do, we will wait to fall, and from a double bottom to this level for buy. So we will wait. We will do not sell or buy from there. We'll wait to fall around this level to complete the structure and going for up. Well, crude, look at that, guys. And this is just ranging. It's a quite a fall, again up, then again ranging the market around 41.96 to 39 point half level. So, and price, and what the price indicate around this 200 moving average just hit the price, and if the price enter into this channel and 200 moving average will go up, and the volume suggestion and for sale, big sell, and look at that volume, and the volume is too narrow so I can't see it here. And the volume, look at that, red volume is still to be crossed. So market seems bearish, so we may expect around downtrend around 37 or 36 level, and then we expect a uptrend. So as like DXY, in crude we are not seller, we wait for buy around this level 36 or 37 level for buy crude. Well, our next pair is gold. So gold, we buy the entry point again 18.8, 1885. So, and the last day of the trading day, yet to have a deal. So gold and 200 moving average is near to the price, also the 50 moving average. So if it cross 200 moving average around 1911, that means 1912, we will buy big and we'll go for 1960 or 1980 level. And at present market is bearish, you can see, but uh, we do not buy or sell near to close when 250 can cross. So we wait for a cross, and whether it will fall or cross 1912 level for buy, or 1882 level for buy. We do not sell this pair, because it's anytime we'll go for boom in the sky. So we wait for fall for buy. Euro USD, and Euro USD, a nice movement, then hope for a deal in the market, and seller push it here, also a correction. So next week we may see this some downtrend, then we will hit our TP1, and I expect my TP2 in before election. So maybe next week the chance to hit my TP1 and TP2, and Euro USD will buy, and the structure show us for buys. And you see this structure is buying, and it will just above our channel 2, so it will enter in our TP channel 1 and hit TP, then we expect a move around up to our TP2 around 1.21 level. Well, GBP USD, we see some drastic issue of UK and the USD stimulus package, and when there is no hope, market going for up, also the drastic hope, and then the stimulus package, then market fall again, the buyer seller push are still a correction, then a big move, and again going back to my channel 3. But we 250 moving average, also the below the price, so market is still bullish for us. I expect next week to go again up to break out my channel 3 and going for hit TP on and TP2 for and re-enter my channel 1. As like Euro USD, I still hope for GBP USD going for a buy setup. Well, USD JPY, and because of US index is falling and Euro USD GBP USD, we expect a buy. Oil price also down, gold price will go up, so we expect a down, and so I expect my expectation to fall to beat this low. So we are re-enter our buy mm, around this level. So I expect 103.48 to fall. So next is bearish. We will find a bearish market for USD JPY. So we may expect a short-term sell there, short position from there, and our SL will be just up from there for small traders, and for big fund we will wait for cross 250 moving average for buy. So for sellers, you can sell from there because your stop loss is 105.117 and just 30 pips. And for buyers, wait to buy confirmation. If 50 moving average touch the price and cross 50 at least, then we can say it's a buy. Otherwise, I do not think a chance for buy. AUD USD, and you can see this chart is going with me, and my analysis are right with this. And AUD USD, I expect a buy from there. Also 50, the price is between the 50 and 200 moving average. Also the volume suggests me for a buy, because the volume in last 50 candle I saw yet to beat the bulls. So if we find cross this 200 moving average, we may find and expect beat our next target around 0.74. Well, CAD USD CAD, it's a bearish market. So, and we see this the structure is for going for bearish, and we the structure show us a pullback, and the volume also suggests for a buy So USD CAD we are still looking for our buy setup in a state of sell setup, and if it going for sell, it will beat this lower low around 129, then we will go for our buy setup. So you can look at that volume, Q1 level, and the sell volume is last 50 candle. We can say the volume of buy is quite weak. So guys, okay, I put my bet on USD CAD for buy setups. So let's hope for re-enter the channel and we'll go for buy big. USD safe is still bearish, and the news came out that there is no deal, so it goes further down and become a double bottom there, and the rejection we find around 40 pips of rejection from double bottom, around 40 pips. So the next level I want to see this stop loss maybe heated, and well well, we move our stop loss around and take a chance of next leg around this level to hit our stop loss, then we can take our decision. And I will update in my Telegram channel, guys, and put it. Well, left USD CHF put an undecision. We will take decision after market opening and from the UK section. Well, New Zealand USD, you are guys taking profit with us, and as far as structure and the breakout level, and try to hit this breakout level and again going for up. So the structure is showing for a bullish, and it will hit back again, then buy re-entry from there because it beat this high. So we expect our next target to be this high, and the structure also show for beat this buy, and also the volume suggests us for buy. So we are waiting for our buy setups for New Zealand USD. You wait for market and give a correction around this level, then we can buy again. While Euro New Zealand hit our stop loss there, and our next buy entry, and the again re-enter. If this re-enter this channel, so we take our uh, re-entry there. So just put this level, and if it enter in this level 1.77800 level, then we can buy again. Otherwise we will put this pair away because we will wait to fall for again buy. Well, we do not enter this channel pair for falling, and I saw this movement and price touch again and the breakout point, so we expect a buy from there around. So we'll take our buy entry around this level. At least this level we can buy from there. Then if cross this 200 moving average, our setup is close. So we expect a buy trend this level. Well, GBP it beats this higher high, also beat this higher high, beat this lower low. So we expect a downtrend around this level. So we are not taking any buys from there. Wait for collection, then again fall. And the structure, big structure, show us that market is falling now. So GBP sell from this level again. Market maybe give some correction around this level, then we can find a boom at least this level. Well, EURJPY, and I say in my group this there is 70% chance for buy and market rejection from 0.76 in 3-day wise pattern and keep falling. So keep buying, and there is 200 moving average also to be crossed, so we expect a buy again to beat this top around this level. So keep our buy hope and keep buying till this level around 126.129 level. Well, GBP JPY, we will take a buy re-entry from this level. So just up the 200 moving average, we will take a buy re-entry, and we want the shape is show us for a boom about this level, and we expect a uptrend from this level. And the structure show also the setup for our buy level. As we find this level again, we may expect our buy level and keep our hope for buy. So guys, for GBP JPY, we may see a pullback, then we will keep our buy hope from our buy the entry point. Well, GBP JPY, GBP New Zealand, we are buying from there, and it reached almost 378 pips and again fall towards the breakout point. So our buy is complete, and we update you in the next structure in next week. So do not enter this pair until I give you the next structure of GBP New Zealand. And SP 500, US 500, you can see that we trigger our buy re-entry and put there some again fall and again goes for buy, and the structure is now trying to the next structure will short update. Hmm, well, sorry, we are buying from that level, not net level, so we may expect to this 1 6. Well, we take XP 500 our buy setup and take buy the entry from there, and again we will buy re-entry to this level for our buy setup. So guys, our last pair US 30, and we are selling from there. Um, the structure is showing us for a, well, for US 30 we will sell this pair around this level. The structure beat this low, so price is now is showing the sell level, so wait for sell this pair also. Well, thank you for watching, and we'll update more in our telegram channel for buy or sell decision.